Hi, Miss Joylene. Good day.
Hello, ma'am. Good day.
Can you introduce yourself?
I am Joylene Layes, 25-year-old, single, and no child.
Where do you live?
I live in Isulan, Sultan, Kudarat.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters, and I am the sixth child in the family.
Okay, please tell me about your educational background.
I am college graduate and taking up Bachelor of Science, Hospitality and Management.
How would you describe yourself?
I am trustworthy, hardworking, obedient, and honest.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family financially and to earn money for my future.
Who will take care of your children when you go to Hong Kong?
I have no children.
Please tell me about your working experience.
I have working experience here in the Philippines from year 2017 up to 2022. In the marriage couple, have 4 kids, age 9, 7, 4, and newborn baby girl.
What is your job duties?
My job duties are cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, and taking care of the baby.
Okay. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am, 5 years.
Okay. Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of healthy elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of children and newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
I will check the diaper of the baby is dirty or wet, and if the baby is hungry, I will feed it, and I will check the temperature of the baby, and I will call my employers immediately.
Okay, what will you do if the children are naughty and not listening to you?
I will encourage them playing and sing a song.
What will you do if you feel homesick?
I will focus on my job and my employer's needs.
Do you have the full consent of your husband, parents, family to go work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have family problem, would you go home or just send financial support?
I will just send financial support.
Are you willing to share a room with the children, elderly, other helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during rest day and employ as overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing a nursery song.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, do you know how to swim?
No, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverage?
No, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have surgical operation and serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give a message for your future employer to hire you.
To my future employee, hi ma'am, sir. I am Joylene Layes. I am willing to work with you and your family. I am trustworthy, hardworking, and honest. I promise to do my duty and to taking care of your children as my own family. Please choose me to be your housemaid, and I will be obedient to you, and I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. God bless and thank you.